Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Oh god.
What?
Pedro Jones.
Busted a glass with a bitch's face. Get up.
Throw these guys around here. There's a guy in his belly.
Get up, damn it, May.
And for like the regular people, like the women, they're just like, well, let's find a woman that looks just like her in stature, but a slightly different skin color and hair, and in the same outfit. Just put the same outfit on.
Pelvic punches, pelvic punches.
Damn new wave phases. Too bad we can't record Diablo. Kicked him to the ground. Ow, Arby's pretty strong, man.
Arby's a bitch. See?
Oh, you're a guy. That doesn't count. But you know what Dirk reminds me of? Reminds me of My Name is Earl. The dude on there who was dating the clingy chick.
Oh gosh.
He always walk up and be like, hey Earl.
What?
Didn't the last one we played we got a special boss for round 3 or something? We like went into a fucking bus or something.
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta get a certain amount of points, I don't know. Or you gotta bust open all the windows or something, it's like a secret thing. This game's got a lot of things where you just throw people into shit.
Hey, throw them into doorways and shit.
I don't even know, man. Rick. Oh, fucking Rick. Fucking Rick.
Kill the bastard. We don't need no motherfucking Ricks up in here.
I've only ever met one Rick I could tolerate. Last time we played Total Annihilation Kingdoms, there was a fucking Rick.
He was a prick.
There's more Ricks.
I killed Rick.
Oh, Andore. Guy named G. Last time I met a guy named G was in Final Fantasy VII. Get back to the 90s, man. I was only alive for 4 years in the 90s, but I remember it vividly. Actually, I spent most of the 2000s in the 90s. Oh, I got knocked over.
One does not simply forget their times in the 90s.
Who can forget Joey Tribbiani?
Not the ladies, that's for sure.
And the PlayStation 1 and all those games. Oh, there's a green doorway. Don't just forget about Spyro the Dragon.
Come on, Adore.
This is the level that has like 10 Adores, I think. All the nunchucks are back.
Nunchucks!
Fat
Bitch's
Jack.
ass. That's right, bitch. Damn, bitch.
That's got 1,000 points. Oh shit.
Okay, Obby's back. He's a spokesperson for Obby's.
He must sample every single one of their sandwiches. He goes to all the meetings. It's like every restaurant has like this like group meeting thing where it's like McDonald's and Burger King and Arby's and all of them that come together, like their spokespeople come together and start talking about stuff. Like, how can we rack up enough money this year? I know, let's change our prices accordingly. They're like, alright, McDonald's, you'll raise your cheeseburgers up by 25 cents. Burger King, you'll lower yours by 5. Then, after 2 months, you'll switch. Arby's is over here like, we raising all of our prices. It's part of the game.
They have to when Arby eats for free. You see him, man? He may not look like it, but he eats like a monster.
He's got a high metabolism. Green Andore. Jeez, man, these bitches are annoying. They're worse than the Streets of Rage bitches.
Oh shit, just a fire attack again. Oh, you cunt. Made me drop my nunchucks.
Ow, she kicked me in the balls.
Oh no, my nunchucks are off screen. Give me back. Nunchucks. You stupid ass. Hey, I was trying to get revenge.
I was helping.
Come here, I want to pelvis punch you.
No, the nunchucks, I can see them flashing.
I can't get them though.
Where are we going? Oh, jeez. Oh, they pop.
I got a bun.
I got a bun.
He got her buns, that's what it is.
Damn it, guy.
You
Oh,
want-
no, no, not these guys. I remember this place now, this fucking Joe's.
Joe's worse than Rick.
These games, these beat 'em up games are gonna forever ruin every name in the book.
Stupid midget Joe.
I mean, the first time we ever got that whole fucking Rick thing going on was in a strategy game, but don't let that change anything. He's still Rick. He's still a prick. Just fucking suplex that motherfucker. I still don't know where that one guy came from.
Which guy?
That wasn't his name, Dean. He just teleports into the window or something.
Oh. Oh gosh. The
Like
world
we're
may never know.
on this damn ship. The world may not know a lot of things. Oh god! Another stripper. I don't. Oh, he sits on our face too. What's with the bosses in this game sitting on your face?
I want you to smell.
Oh shit! Okay, he headbutts, he sits on your face, and he does a really weird looking. Oh, run!
He's trying to give his STDs to you.
I hope he don't have none.
He's like, have some syphilis.
No, that's painful. I don't know if I'm gonna have that. Get the hell out of there. You're a guy, why don't you take him on?
I am. See?
He kicked me out of midair. This is not even fair.
I was doing a spinning kick.
So I kicked him in the ass.
What the hell is this?
Ooh, holy mother. Okay, he's down on his health bar.
Check.
Oh,
Damn it,
gosh. Watch out. Damn it, guy!
Guy was taking care of the situation.
Yeah, right. Guy was running away.
No, he wasn't. He was trying not to get sat on. He didn't want syphilis, which you now have.
Oh, I died and came back. That washes away everything. Oh gosh, not this part. I
You
want to
just
go.
wash away syphilis?
It happens when you fucking die. The only way I found to hit this guy is run and jump and kick.
Yep. Oh, we actually did it.
One player win.
One player?
I got 8,000 points.
It's not fair.
Well, your guy.
Hmm?